At White Glove Moving, Storage, and Delivery, we are thrilled to be your one-stop resource for all things FF&E related. With a team of 50-plus trained installers and a fleet of well over a dozen trucks, it is our goal to hit your budget and deadlines with ease. Whether it is a large commercial project, such as a hotel installation with upwards of 100,000 pieces, all requiring assembly and art hanging, or a smaller residential delivery with just a handful of bigger items needing placement, we are here to make you shine. At our 70,000 square foot climate and humidity controlled, fully secure warehouse, we can receive your keenly selected goods throughout the work week, no matter the truck size. Once in our warehouse, all items are inspected for visible damage, and if permitted, an internal inspection is performed within 24 hours before being added to inventory. Better still, by utilizing our Windfall program, you can check on the status of your items, coupled with pictures and details 24/7. You can even schedule delivery online. Though rest assured, our team is available Monday through Saturday to help coordinate all logistics. When it comes to receiving, inspection, warehousing, delivery, and installation for commercial or residential interior design projects throughout Florida, look no further than the team of trusted movers at White Glove, A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau, and a preferred industry partner with ASID of North and South Florida, voted top receiving warehouse in the state. With White Glove, you can consider it done. Are your shipments safe? Who is going to accept your new items when they arrive unannounced via semi-truck? Do you trust that your goods are being treated with care? At White Glove Moving and Storage, you have a partner who understands how special your deliveries are, thus providing peace of mind, knowing your goods are protected, inspected, and accounted for until you are ready for delivery. We even take pictures. So whether you're an interior designer doing work in Florida or a traveler finding that one-of-a-kind item, let White Glove be your receiving partner of choice. Call us today at 866-GLOVE-10. That's 866-456-8310.